Okay, boys and girls, so for math lesson 83, we're going to be using the thermometer. Now, we've done lots with our thermometer before. We know that this side is the what side, Alex? Yes, it is the Fahrenheit side. And this side is, Alex? Celsius. Very good. Okay, so Fahrenheit, the Fahrenheit thermometer has different boiling point and freezing point than the Celsius thermometer. Okay, so let's talk about that. On the Fahrenheit, so if it's Fahrenheit, the boiling temperature is what? Yes, the boiling temperature is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? The freezing temperature is, you are right, Brady, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So 212 degrees Fahrenheit is the boiling temperature with the Fahrenheit scale or thermometer, and the freezing temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now what about on the Celsius? Oh, excuse me, backwards. Okay, on the Celsius thermometer, what is the boiling point there? Who remembers? Emery. Yes, it is 100 degrees Celsius is when water boils. Okay, what about the freezing temperature? What's the freezing temperature? Jet, you are correct. It is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it depends if you're using a Fahrenheit thermometer or if you're using a Celsius thermometer, what the boiling and freezing points are. And boys and girls, you have to get those stuck in your head. You have to know what they are. Okay, most of the time in the United States, we use the Fahrenheit thermometer. Sometimes we do use Celsius, scientists do. And then lots of other countries use the Celsius thermometer. But keep these measurements or these temperatures in your head. Okay, boys and girls, so on every thermometer, you have to look and try to see what interval it is increasing by. On our, well, this is going to be harder, but on our thermometer we have in school, both the Fahrenheit and the Celsius side increase by 2 degrees. So we would count by 2s to go up, and then if it's in the middle, we just add the 1. But on the worksheet you have this week, it looks something like this. Yours is your thermometer goes a little bit further down. It goes minus 30 degrees. But you would, on this one, so look between the 10 and the 20 right here. There's 1, 2, 3, ooh. Okay, there we go, it's better. 1, 2, 3, oh, I better stop touching, huh? Okay, so looking there, it increases by 1 degree. So all of these Celsius thermometers on your worksheet, and for math, they will increase by 1 for math in 3rd grade. But if you're looking at a thermometer, you need to look carefully and see, are they increasing by 2? Are they increasing by 1? What is it they're increasing by? So on these thermometers on your worksheets, they will be increasing by 1 on the Celsius. Now, boys and girls, pretty much the same as on the Fahrenheit. So let's say we wanted to make this show 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we would start at the bottom. Now mine doesn't show the bottom, but we would start at the bottom and we would actually probably want to do this part first. You go up and find the 30 degrees. So find where it shows 30, make a mark there, and then you would color all of this in all the way up to the 30. Okay, pretty simple. We did that with the Fahrenheit thermometers also. What if we wanted to show 16 degrees Celsius? Okay, so we go to the 10, and then we would count up by 1s. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or you probably already figured it out, this middle line is the 5. So I could already say 10, 15, And then the next line there would be 16. And then you would fill all of this in. And you know what, boys and girls? I'll let you just draw the line up. You don't have to take the time to fill it all in. So I will know then that you know it starts at the bottom and it comes all the way up to that mark you made. Okay, what if we had -6 degrees Celsius? So if it's minus or negative, it's pretty cold, isn't it? That means the negative means it's below 0. Okay, so instead of counting upward to show 6, I don't want to see anybody going there. That's 6 degrees Celsius. That's not minus, okay, or negative. So negative means you're going below, oops. Okay, negative means you're going below the 0. So then we have to work our way down, and so it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or that halfway mark there, and then 6. So then we would only color it in from the bottom of our thermometer all the way to that line.